So hi guys, we're here at Baluarte Zoo. Hello. Hi guys, I'm Adrian.
I'm Jen.
And I'm Monica.
I'm Ace. And we are going to Ilocos! Our bus number is number
1.
Anyway, you're welcome, very much welcome dito sa bus number 1 sa section 3201. Tayo ang magkakasama.
Hi guys, we're here on the car stopover. Let's go. Let's go.
Guys, we are here now in Tokyo. Hi guys, we're going to eat now. Tokyo is our dinner for the day.
Let's eat.
You see there.
Hello everyone, we're here now at Bigan City and welcome to
Hidden
Garden.
And let's see the hidden beauty of this place.
Let's go.
Welcome to Hidden Garden, Lilong and Nilang Restaurant.
Six years ago, Francis Flores, the owner of Hidden Garden of Bigan, suffered from 3 heart attacks. Half of his body was paralyzed. He then realized to change his life, so then decided to start a garden and became a landscape architect. It was a garden therapy of him until it became a business. Now he is planning to place a health spa to help other people as well.
Hi guys, we're going to Kapurpurawan Formation Rock. Let's go.
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
We're here now to Kapurparawan Rock Formation. As you can see.
So beautiful here. Let me show you around. There's an ocean there. It's a very rock formation. Hi guys, we are now at Bangi Windmills. The shortest today in this video is 70 meters, 230 feet tall, with 41 meters, 135 feet long beams, stored maximum production capacity of 1.65 megawatts of electricity. Main area of we are here now at Pagod Beach. And later, we have a beach party. See you there.
Hi guys, we're about to leave June and Galo Resort to go our new destination.
Come and join us to our second day of exploring Ilocos. Stay tuned! What's up guys?
Hello guys, we're here now at Santa Monica Church.
Church, yung tinatawag nating Santa Monica Church. What was named Santa Monica Church? Ang pangalan niya po ay San Miguel Church. It was named after San Miguel dahil itong si San Miguel, dahil tinawag itong San Miguel kasi nung dumating ang Agustinians, pista po ng Feast of Saint Michael Arcangel. So to honor the Agustinians or Agustinian na nag-arrive dito, pinangalan na itong San Miguel Church. Before, it was a small church only. Bago ito maging main church of Sarat. Ito ay bisita kung tawagin ng Lawag City. Okay? Ito pong simbahan na to ay inayo noong 1729. Okay?
Hello guys, we're here now at Malacanang.
At the north.
At the north, yeah.
And we are walking
See the
down.
beauty of the Malacanang of the north, and a diversity begins here.
Look at the view.
Atmosphere here is very good.
So very nice here. Second floor. And the Malacanang Guard. Let's go. Now we're going to second floor.
Second floor.
Yes, second floor. The Malacanang Guard.
need to use a very sticky, yung sticky rice. Di ba may sticky rice? Dalawang klase kasi yung rice powder. We have yung ordinary rice tapos yung malagkit. Kapag kasi malagkit, magiging sticky yung kakatig sa plastic. Kaya hindi siya mabubuo kapag may mantika. Kapag may init yung malagkit.
So hi guys, we're here at Baluarte Zoo. Hello.
Hello guys! Welcome to Bigan City!
This is the end of our last trip. Bye guys!